Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the physical damage coverages that you can find in auto policies. An auto policy consists of three branches: liabilities, medical and more, and physical damages. In this video we will be focusing on a third branch, physical damages. Physical damages are expenses related to the damage done to your physical vehicle. The coverages that you may see regarding physical damages on your auto policy are comprehensive coverage, collision coverage, emergency road services, and rental reimbursement. Let's start by breaking down comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive coverage provides payment for loss or damage to the vehicle for causes other than collision or upset. Comprehensive coverage covers the following scenarios. Now, let's move on to collision coverage. Collision coverage helps with the cost of repairs if you hit another vehicle or an object. There are two main types of collision coverages: broadened collision and regular collision. Broadened collision coverage pays for direct and accidental loss or damage to the insured auto caused by collision with another object or by upset. Broadened collision coverage is subject to a deductible unless the damages to the insured auto are a result of a collision with another auto and provided that the operator of the insured auto is not substantially at fault in the accident. Substantially at fault means a person is more than 50% responsible for the accident. Let's move on to regular collision. Regular collision coverage pays for accidental loss or damage to the insured auto that is caused by collision with another object or by upset. This coverage is subject to a deductible regardless of fault. Okay, so I know there was a lot of language between broadened and regular collision, so let's break down the key differences between these two coverages. It really comes down to how the deductible applies. Let's say, for example, that you got in an accident and you are the at-fault driver. This means that you are responsible for the cause of the accident. In this situation, regardless of if you have broadened or regular collision, the deductible would apply. Now let's say that you're not the at-fault driver. If you were to have broadened collision in this situation, there would be no deductible. However, if you have regular collision coverage, the deductible would still apply. That concludes collision coverage. Now, let's move on to emergency road services. In the event of a roadside claim, you may call emergency road services. The roadside assistance included is towing, flat tire change, a battery jump, emergency fuel, fluid delivery, and lockout service. This service is provided to all autos with comprehensive or collision coverage. If you do have a roadside claim, call this number to contact emergency road services. Okay, now let's finish up with rental reimbursement. If your auto is unusable for more than 24 hours due to a covered physical damage loss, you may be reimbursed for a substitute auto. Limit options of $30, $50, or $100 per day are available to cover the expense incurred for the rental fee. Coverage is provided for a maximum period of 30 days. And that about sums up this video: auto insurance, physical damages. If you have any questions, call your agent today and they would be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. Visit our YouTube channel at Berg Insurance Services for more tips and tricks to navigate the insurance world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos so that we can continue to provide you with more helpful content.